Hello again and welcome back to Crafty Computing. So what we're going to do now is, this will probably be our final episode of the MakeCode stuff, so I'm going to choose what we're going to do. So there's also this live coding which you can do yourself. It's kind of like what we're doing now, but it's for all of them. So since this is our last one, we're going to do quite a good one. Let's do simple extensions of maze. Let's do maze. And the basics of creating a maze. So as you can see, remember last time we did the chase the pizza, elements of all of the ones we did, like the countdown, the timer, the collisions, all kind of come into this. We missed a few out, but they won't be that important. So let's start the tutorial. So what we're going to do now is the maze. Let's go. Welcome to Arcade. Let's get started by creating a game where a player tries to get out of a maze while there's still time. So we've got the timer like we did last time. So let's start. So we need to go to, as usual, we need to make our first sprite. So we'll get this one, put it in here. Now we need to make our sprite, so it can be anything you want. Remember, you can draw it, you can really do anything, so sort that out. So let's just for now, let's just go into a gallery, get one from here. Let's get kind of a 2D one, so there's ones with like different ways of facing, but you can try that if you want, but for now we're just gonna do, what should we do? This one. Okay, done. Now let's make our sprite figure move with the controller arrow keys. Get a move my sprite with buttons from controller and put it under a set my sprite 2. So we need to go to controller and move my sprite with buttons. So that already has in it the arrow key, so now it moves. So that's just a preset for it. And next we're gonna go to do this. We need to create a tile map. So we need to pull set tile map from scene. We've not used scene that much yet, but we need a tile map. So, oh no, we need to reboot it. It says, click on the grey box, select tiles, use the tools to draw your own maze. Be sure to leave a path from the start to the end so the user can escape. Leave an empty tile in both the start and end location. So, we need to draw our own maze. Okay, so, this might be a bit, let's do it. Obviously you can just grab one from here, but let's get one like this. So, here we go. Simple maze. Make it as complicated as you want. We're just gonna make it pretty basic. As you can, you just grab one from here if you draw on it, whatever. Ours are going to be pretty simple. I'm not sure what we would use to that one. Let's replace that. For this one, I just use this one, yeah. Yeah, that's okay. So, I'm going to get that. And then we're going to grab another one. And this will be one of our exits. There we go. Put this here. I'm just going to cut to when we're done. So once you've done that, what you're going to do is, so once you've kind of done it, you're trying to sort out these borders. They're quite annoying. You use these a lot, and these. So once you've sorted it out, click on draw walls, and basically every tile should really be a wall. All the ones that you've drawn should be a wall. Just hold it down, follow along the walls. Yeah. You've done that. Ours is basically done. Okay, so you should have one space here and one space here, or any space. Just make it a maze. You know what a maze is, hopefully. So there we go. So as you can see, it already kind of does work. So once you've done it again, make sure when you're making it, what I've done is I've made it 16 by 16. Make sure it's 16 by 16. Do not change it, as I've just done then, and I've accidentally deleted it all. Make it about, so on each side there's either 1 or 2. 1 will be fine, just so it looks like it's an exit and an exit and an entrance. Should have done that. Should have done something wrong. I need to cover that up. Yeah. So you've done that. Okay. Once you've done that, go next in tutorial. And so now we've done that. So fill in the 2 empty spaces with 2 new tiles. One that looks like something you can escape with, for example, a door or stairs. Make sure to mark the starting location with a ladder or something. Make sure these tiles aren't used anywhere else. Okay, so let's get some thing. We need to find something that looks like an entrance. Something in the dungeon. Is there anything? We'll just make something. So to start, there'll be, I don't know, a door, let's say. It should only be a tile, so we'll just make it that. That's recognizable at all. Actually, I'll make it, okay. So once you've done that, so we need something to go on one of these, on the exit and entrance. So what I'm gonna do is find something. Let's just use one of these. Can I? There. One there and one there. I'll make them different. So I'll have one that's that and one that's like that. Okay. You can draw your own little door or stairs, but yeah. We'll go next. Place my stripe at top of random. So I'll put that. Drag it into on start after set time 2. This will move the character you created on top to be one of the top of the selected tiles. Click on the checker tile and select the point. Okay. I'm not sure where we get these. So, that's confusing. Tile map, we need, where are they? How did they get, maybe we missed out something in the tutorial. Find 2 empty space, the one that looks like something you can escape with, and the other to mark the starting area. So they need to be 2 new tiles, but the tiles we choose from don't work. Okay, I'll figure this out. So maybe it will be in one of these. Misc. What are the options? Oh, okay, so that was just being worded. Sorry. Okay, next. So we've got it now. It was just being odd then. So drag it into on start after set tile map 2. So we've done that, and then so the starting point is the blue one. Guessing we have to get another one. The player is now off the screen, so we need camera follow in scene. That's what I was wondering. That's why I was trying to change it. Camera follow my sprite, and then there we go. There, it follows them now. But we morph through the walls. We'll probably fix that. If we don't, I know how to do it. But we'll just follow the tutorial for now. Follow my sprite in scene, drag it to the end of on start. This will make the camera follow the players as it moves around the screen. Next. Find on sprite kind player overlaps at location in scene. So using all these new scene ones that we might have missed out. On sprite of kind overlap player. So this is a new one that should go outside on sprite. Find the game over lose in game. Change it to win. Obviously we have to make this. This is being odd again. It's doing that again, so I forgot how we did it last time. We just kind of went into this, looked around, and then should be fixed. There we go. If that happens, just go into your tile map or go into a different like menu, like full screen or something. It should work. If not, go and click on your tile map and click out, and this should be the ones you place down. So you win when you get to there. So let's see. There we go. Still morphing through it, and we win. So now it's probably going to be the countdown. Yeah. Info. I'll just probably put it on there. Now you have a game with a target and a time crunch. Okay. So I think I might have missed out in the tutorial, or they just didn't say it, but we need to set all these as walls. So set all the purple ones as walls. And just hold it down, it's pretty easy. Doesn't really matter if you go out on the outside, but it does matter if you go in the inside. Here and finally in this little bit. Then start again. Just go round. And then once you touch that, you win. That's pretty easy. This will be our last time on MakeCode. Next time we actually might be doing some we'll see, either HTML, maybe JavaScript. So these are blocks, and all these blocks do is represent a snippet of JavaScript. So you've got so we can start learning some of this maybe. So for example, set my sprite would be namespace. So set my sprite would be let my sprite equal spritescreate.image. Let would mean variable, or if you know what that means, let is the same as variable. Yeah. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.